Hi everyone, this is Miss Win. Today we are learning Unit 5, reading part. And our story today is Ugly Bird. Ugly Bird. Now let's follow this video to get to know some vocabulary, characters, and sentences. Ugly, 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 ugly bird, ugly bird. Swan, swan, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful swan, beautiful swan. And here are some characters in the story. Number 1 is a bird, is a bird, is ugly and gray, is ugly and gray. Number 2 is a chicken, is a chicken, is brown and red, is brown and red. Number 3 is a cow, is a cow, is black and white, is black and white. Number 4 is a frog, is a frog, is green, is green. Number 5 is a swan, is a swan, is beautiful and white, is beautiful and white. And here are some sentences in the story. Look at this picture. Is it a chicken? Is it a chicken? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Is it a chicken? Is it a chicken? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Is an ugly bird. Is an ugly bird. Is it a cow? Yes, it is. Is it a cow? No, it isn't. Is an ugly bird. Is it a frog? Yes, it is. Is it a frog? No, it isn't. All right, very good, everyone. Keep watching and reviewing this story, this video. Goodbye and see you next time.